Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So next week's Thanksgiving, obviously. My brother gets home literally 10 p.m. Wednesday night. And then I have to work Thanksgiving Day. So here's my thing. I was sitting here and I was filming and I was like, you know what? Because I was like I was filming with the vlog and I was like, you know what? Let me backtrack a little bit. I was getting everything ready to film with the vlog. And I have like my Thanksgiving dinner plan, which is we're gonna go over after this. But okay, you saw that already. Anyway, and then I was editing Saturday's video and I was like, I just realized I'm gonna have 0 time to like actually sit down and 100% get dolled up because Thanksgiving Day I work until 2 o'clock. I'm gonna come home, take a quick power nap, and then I have to finish cooking, and then everyone gets here for 5. So, and we all know there's gonna be pictures. Like, it's Thanksgiving. It doesn't matter how big or small your gathering is, there's always pictures. And I am one of those people where if I don't have at least some form of makeup on, please don't take a picture of me, because I know you're gonna post that and you're not gonna like at least put a decent filter on it, and I'm gonna look like I've been up. I'm gonna look accurate, like I've been up since 4 o'clock in the morning. So, rant over. Today we are going to do a stupid, simple, easy, pretty Thanksgiving makeup look. Now, if you get BoxyCharm, you may or may not have the item we're going to be using. We're using the Natasha Denona palette that came in BoxyCharm. And then we're going to do a deep lip. And that's it. Like, that's legit it. It's going to be a stupid, easy look. So, first things first, I'm going to take the brush I want to use. And I'm just going to make sure it's at least somewhat cleaned off, because I need to clean my brushes. This is a JH32. It is Morphe and Jaclyn Hill's brush collection. You know, can't really go wrong with it. Oh my gosh. Why can't I open this? Okay, so the first shade I want to dip into is this nice white right here. And I'm just gonna dust it all over my lid. The one thing I do like about this palette is if you have any like neutral palettes, you will have shades, which, like, let's be realistic here, we all have neutral palettes. Even it really doesn't matter, you know, you have one, or you have palettes that have similar shades. I mean, we all pretty much have either a palette or palettes that have similar shades. You do not have to use the Natasha Denona palette. I'm just using it because I'm excited that I have it. That, and it's right in front of me. And it's, I promise you, it's gonna be the palette I use on Thanksgiving. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this nice light mauve-y pinky color. Same brush. And I'm just gonna pop that in my crease. So for my eyes, for my face, I just went in with some primer. Because it's winter, it's getting cold here, so my skin is starting to get more on the drier side. My skin shifts every single time the like winter season comes around, and it's because there's not much humidity in the air, which is what my skin is used to for 99.9% of the year. Because, you know, New Orleans only gets like one winter month. So I went in with the Tarte base, I think it's the base tape, the hydrating one. And I just Used that, and then I used my Dose of Colors concealer, and then I went in with my Milani cream to powder foundation, and then I threw on some Doll 10 bronzer. Love this bronzer. And some Flower Beauty Warm Hibiscus blush. And then I used my, I don't even know where it is right now, but it's my, oh, there it is. The Doll 10 HD Perfecting Powder. I use that to set my makeup. And then I use some Jeffree Star Hypothermia highlighter. And like, that's it. That's my base. No joke. Oh, my brows are the $1 Million Brow Pencil. The universal one. Like, I can tell you now, my base, this will probably be my base. This, like, what you're seeing here, there's a 99.99999% words, 99.99999% thing that this will be my look for Thanksgiving. I'm not even kidding you. Okay, same brush. We're gonna go into the more corally shade, like the reddish coral shade. And we're just gonna pop that in our crease as well. And just blend these two together. Like I'm telling y'all, like this is probably gonna be my exact look because it's gonna be like that easy to do. And it's warm, it's fall-y, it's, I don't know, like this entire little BoxyCharm Natasha Denona palette just screams fall and Thanksgiving to me. It really does. Like, I love it. That's it. All right, let's take the shimmery shade. You can use any shimmery shade. Like, it's, I'm just using this one because it's right there. And it's easy. And I know this look is super similar to the look from the BoxyCharm try on, but it is gonna get a little different. But at the same time, like in all seriousness, with such few colors, there's only so much you can do. I'm not complaining, like I love the palette. All right, let's take a JH39 and we're gonna go into that brown. And we're just gonna I'm gonna kind of create eyeliner with it because I don't want to do actual eyeliner. And I know myself, I'm not gonna want to do actual eyeliner that day. But we're gonna do like a smudgy eyeliner here. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on my lower lash line, but I'm only gonna take it like halfway. See? Like you'll notice, like as I'm doing this, sorry, I'm trying to show y'all. I'm not even taking it all the way in on the upper lashes. Like, I'm just being realistic with y'all. No one wants to spend, if you're going to a Thanksgiving, that's one thing. Dude, do full glam. But if you're doing what I'm doing and you're gonna be the one cooking everything, because funny story, my mom's not allowed to cook. And it's because she can't cook. No shade. No shade. You don't want to spend your entire day cooking and then shower and then, oh no, now we're going to go back in that shimmer. Oh no, I need to go put makeup on for Thanksgiving. Like, that doesn't sound fun. So I'm just taking that shimmer and I'm running it along the inner part of my lash line. And I'm gonna pop on some Too Faced Better Than Sex. I don't know what's going on with me in this mirror today, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not putting lashes or anything on. They're lucky I'm putting pants on. Do you think I'm kidding? Like, they are so lucky I'm even putting pants on. Okay. Like, that's the eye look. Seriously, it's that simple. If you wanna like take it up that notch, you can pop. We'll do it real quick, actually. Take a small brush and pop that white shade on the inner corner just to brighten it a little bit. Like, it's not going to be dramatic brightness, but it is just going to kind of add a little bit of, yeah. Okay, so for lips, I told you we're going to do a dark color. I'm going to take Gorge from the Kylie and Coco collection. I've been gravitating towards like this collection since I got it. No joke. I need to wash my hair so bad, it's ridiculous. It looks a lot brighter on camera than it is in person. It is not this bright in person. It's actually like a nice, almost burgundy red. I do really like this color. And it's deep. It looks a lot brighter on camera. Kind of driving me insane. It's not that bright in person. And I already set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. But y'all, like, this is gonna be it. You think I'm kidding? This is gonna be it. Like, I'm not going over the top with makeup. It's not happening. I got a lot of cooking to do. But yeah, do you see how easy that was? That took us what, 10 minutes? That took us 10 minutes. And then, like, the application of the face took me maybe 5. No joke. So yes, if you are following this look for Thanksgiving, send me your picture. Tag me on Instagram at b.b._beauty. Tag me because I want to see your beautiful faces. All right, guys, I am gonna go. I need to actually, now that I have organized what I'm filming with the vlog, now I need to go actually add it to the vlog. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell. The holidays are like Christmas is coming up, so I got a lot of fun stuff planned. I want to do a whole like gift idea for your skincare and makeup enthusiast family and friends, but I also want to make sure it is affordable because it's 2020. Like, we got a lot of fun stuff planned. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And I love you, and I will see you in Saturday's video. Bye.